Waje nuchumo nshi non ofitebi ene wo mache nyemi Reverend Theophilus ni papa kwoti ni ike imeji ya na yemu abaha adaficha loye.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Press conference by the Paramount Stu Jassy on an appeal and stay of execution filed by Ojiaoho Yao JB II, President of the National House of Chiefs, on recent judgment delivered by the Court of Appeal, Kumasi, at the Supreme Court. Friends of the media, Nime Name, ladies and gentlemen, good morning again. The Jase of the Ghana Paramount Stew has invited you to this press conference to throw light on the recent judgment delivered by the Court of Appeal sitting in Kumasi, and to express our surprise and protest on the stance taken by the President of the National House of Chiefs, filing an appeal and stay of execution against the judgment of the court. To say the least, this development is shocking to the Jase and generally embarrassing, since under Article 270 Clause 3B of the 1992 Constitution, the National House of Chiefs is mandated to establish and operate a procedure for the registration of chiefs and the public notification in the Gazette or otherwise of the status of persons as chiefs in Ghana. Background. Friends of the media, with the demise of Bonini Amugi II, Gamanche, in 2004, the need for replacement befell the Jase and his Jase. However, at the time, the Jase Ni Kweku Niri, known in private life as Mr. Portego, had predeceased Nigan, which situations call for the installation of a new Jase. Since by the customs and usage of the Gans too, only a Jase can perform the burial of the king and install a new one. This led to the installation of Ni Yaote Otoga II, who rightly sat in state to bury Ni Amugi, and installed Boni King Kaki Adamalache II, Gamanche, in 2011. Owing to protracted chieftaincy disputes, it was until 24th April 2015 that it was gazetted by the National House of Chiefs as the legitimate Gamanche, after the process had passed through the Ghana Traditional Council, the Greater Accra Regional House of Chiefs, and finally the National House of Chiefs, with a publication in the Chieftaincy Bulletin as mandated under Section 60 Clause 1 of the Chieftaincy Act 2008, Act 759. On 17th October 2017, King Taki Adamalache II was admitted into membership of the Greater Accra Regional House of Chiefs. Then on 20th October 2017, Kevin Taki was unlawfully imposed on the good people of Ghana as Gamanche, and forcibly brought to the Stew House under protection of a combined military and police team. Subsequently, the name of Boni Kintaki Adamalache II was unlawfully and unjustifiably expunged from the National Register, and that of Kevin Taki inserted without any evidence of death, abdication, bestowment, or judicial order to expunge Ni Adamalache's name. This resulted in Ni Adamalache II applying to the High Court, Kumasi, for a mandamus to compel the National House of Chiefs to restore its name in the National Register of Chiefs as the Gamanche. The High Court, Kumasi, rightfully ordered accordingly after hearing all the parties, and subsequently on 12 June 2025, the Court of Appeal unanimously affirmed the decision of the High Court and accordingly dismissed the appeal mounted by both National House of Chiefs and the interested party. From the above stated facts, we beg to ask the following questions. 1. Is the President of the National House of Chiefs, as the head referee, of such institution right to appeal to the Supreme Court? 2. Is the decision to appeal a collective decision of the whole House or a body? We believe that the National House of Chiefs is made up of well-established lawyers and judges who believe in the rule of law and will stand up to be counted, and we graciously appeal to them for the withdrawal of the process from both the Court of Appeal and the Supreme Court. Finally, we appeal to the Ministry of Chieftaincy and Religious Affairs to intervene in order to uphold both justice and peace in the Ghana state. Meanwhile, we call on the good people of the Ghana state to remain resolute but be calm in these times of turmoil in our Ghana chieftaincy matters. A comprehensive press conference on the whole issue will be addressed soon. Long live Boni Kintaki Adamalache II. Long live the Gajase and the Jase. Long live the Ghana state. Thank you.
Nyeme kokul me fe ni obie. Friends of the media. Mimba nyomanye. Mimba nyomanye. Mimba nyomanye. Ke wa abua ye bi elebi ne. Wo domo otiko no. No wo lebi ne wona eba kwishi ye bi. Mindi jina ko tie. Na ko tie ji. Afi abo ne. Ni woche Boni ni amugi ni jenyo kamanche ete himeji a abomi ni kusuna onupa ike kemoko be moko ye no dromo na bomodan na tole sani ana enajian talo ene ewo ni ya to ganiji gaja seche ke jase foi Amekpe na ameto gamanche genye ya numi ya geni na ba kanie e ba na numi fe yemi na ameto gamanche 2011 kabata ngmene leji gamanche shibene eshe 2017 na to le 2017 MPP government time ni ameke me kume ye jasi emi no mfe kume na me wola me cha me fo na me ke boko club awuje me ni Kevin shi gafele akeje Kevin ji gamanje no se amaje adamala chagbe ya gazette mi na me ke Kevin gbe yawo akedi ni taki adamala che to njole gbomojile small lahia shishwe mo yega ijake ko bo ba kwema no je lahia shishwe mo alo basabasa femo dino ni kenuba no enwe twinshi ni ke yimlagbe ni wo chole rule of law mene aha judgment high court ha judgment be na ji egbe akesa shakewu mi wo samanfo ya me ngono na meketi appeals court afie teke afie dwamine mene nyumbo dromo na appeals court ewie aka adamala cheji gamancha aka egba wu lolo won na ni bi ni ya ene wo lebi ne gajase ebakpe ni ameke wiemo ahaga na manfe ke danwe bi fe wo ba je nu tumo nshi enu wo ba je nshi sana ye npai ni wo cheme himeji ne tefe ambadumo wose no ni wo ba fe efe o manye ke hawo ene wo mache wo ni o chami de fa ine dan wo ba je nshi sane ake solimo aje shishi ene wo mache nyemi onupa asfache nunu ni etu wewo chofele asfache ni ahere nunu ni etu wewo chofie din ni wo je wonu tumo
ago yo ma woni an ni wo ka oche ni yo awele yachi o ma se ya afi tata fi oh mene wada
Wandani asfache hanlenun shi oduba. Bi e mache ni o chami. Koni senche. Bawe no na yimpai ahawo.
Yemi. Tabasi o dana ba jeshi. Eyin da to enyo. Ona furu kwa ka hwehwe. Wonu wo bia me da hu na me ya me bo awo. Ni yele fe wono. Afu da na ka da me shi. Ona fe no ni hu na ba dwe mo ni ba ka mo ni ka ni fe. Ile akato abushi. To fe no ya no pe. Ele ko le te. Ago. Yami. Where you going with? Ago.
Namaju. Kenken inu wodomone. Ewulu wodomo. Yo subi anomi. Yona. Cheme, nyeme, jema waji mfe ni jakuto nemi. Na metie, onchenye chuchu, nyeba ida nyenu, nyeka jomo drajo. Biasuma. Biasuma. Brigadier Fachi. Muaya. Bonio. Misenke webi. Tekpuluke webi. Dudo na nchonye yeba ya danyenu a nyeka jomo dra jowo nche na ebe zobo misa nai ope dada mira Odoma, Kibiki, Amralo, Ope Amugio, Ope Totro, Amefo, Amena, where se camble, Fransaki, Nevena Yakuno, and Yaka Jomo Drajo. Intersakmo Crote, Okutu Breche, Boka Fiti or Sa, not only one trouble, if any fiti no was so how. Nova so how. Now call aboyo. Some flip po. I won't bet an over for chino. Yawo. No power say. No go hard the Montesa Ulono. I can follow Moko. Balo. Kuaga will be Nancho. You feel I than you can do Drago. Kokobi. Nanchone nyenye baya danye nwanye ka jomo jiraju awo je lokoni shi lokoni bone kintaki adama lache ato gankusu fe ni jukusu ni yono na ke tule ake gamanche ni ya to toga ni ji gaja seche ke ijase pianfo fe na ke tule isra te government kokro ni aji eyin epo ni ba gbe wule won yen mi ahun ka bata ngene gbi ni wo yu ole fe ku owo chonye ni yen bu awo je kejese pe no ni wona na ete chi Joe Branson di enche le hu akele ba na kai no le hu ebe ba gba wona chi di wo chenye nye boto eni nye ye nye buawo di nye gbelegbe dani woketu ni Adamalache lololo lomi wo yin chi ni se ne ate court na me no amikati appeals court ni mo dromo na tie ni wo chenye nya ye nye buawo nye aka kuni yele akikiri aka finwo lololo ame yemi ame plenku ene he ba ke mene dune dija se ke jasi efe ke gato mu ofe wo ke won fe press conference ni wo tra game fe to nbe eni anukwali e kan na ke fonje loni wo bi oni nye fe nye awo kekeji ni ano bi anto ne me ni je gapo ameje amekolo ame ya mewomi na memo amefiti owo gan do dan wo ka shuo shuo anye ni na kanyo nu omi hye ko ni ame bona fe ni wo pa nu wo gbra de ba shuo wo yin na kan no me ni je wo e fun ke sha ke ni bi ye wo belo ko ke mo fe e anye de ni ni ha o manye afi wo no na ato ape wo no be mi ye nínú wọ bí ọkẹkẹjí wọn bí àwòrán wọn àwòrán na ha wọ gbọmọtò ìwàlẹ kẹwàlà níṣẹ kẹwọ yẹn níbí ní bẹwọ yọbọn níwọ bọbọn kẹjẹ lọgbà kàgbé àdánsùlà kàgbé òpútù apra gbẹgẹ ibi ogójì nǹkan náà fọsà náà wàlà yéé wàlà mi wàlà sẹ wàlà níjẹ náà máa fi wọ tù twa ọmọnyàrá.
Biri ni o no ni jase e kanemi ke ha wonye me game hu anu ihie o wa gie mi kuku no ni e ka me ka gie amechenye bi enwene ye sane ni kangano ake gamanche sane eje be na atonia mugi Kabashi 2011 ne ni ya to ga ke ganja seche eto gamanche ni gamanche ni eto oji ni taki Adamalache Shimon se ne aya gazette manche kokulu ene wo aketo mo boni nke enye mla ni ga enyo mla se hiwo ika domo high court ake gbeno na cho na ji egbe ya gazette mi eja keke atomoko manche kusu na atole manche ni taki Adamalache atole manche bemi na mole ake abifao na ba atole manche nle mene na egbe na mekwe ni tete TV keje nwe igbe tekenye blema video ne aketo ni taki Adamalache ejefe bi anikoti media no enye no fe e choka je be na mole sempe mancheshia jenje na mole aye je shishiye na kale fogan akuche pawo ofe mi dana atule aha jase ni jase kelete century atuno fo no ya century ja wole tumi ye sakumo wo mo nye meni ba kwena kan video amba na leba fe kusu leba yenpai enye mi fi oko ni na ne geleji sakumo we yicho e ka chole noko numbo gba mi si wo wole aga chole ni ofe nse na ewe baba o ye mini kwajiano ni mititiri accuse me mene na kan video lo amekwe be ni sakumo ro mo ba ofe le yin da to enyo ne ka nye hie na kwa chukusu simpe manche ejeme ndi otinto ni ngbese yemi asiraja aseche ni amakai amefe ameyemi ni chwanke atole ye kusuna ni ka gbe ne na dana agbe na ba gazette yen na meyu ohie gazette yen le government gbeji anoto na ka na manche me enyo lo ete ya kuchoko memi yen no ato na kan gbeji ano oni moniji pote a gazette bo nsene omanyeme komehun echekwe ameke gazette na adamala che hie fraudulent nito aga tafra che junini noni make geji ele e ya ge ni adamala che nye ni le ya gazette ni adamala che enye ni le ko gazette na eke ya regional house of chiefs alo eke ya Kumasi aka enye gazette ami awo mi Gamanche she was constitution ke chieftaincy act en wo yo eto gbajiano ni ke atomoko manche ya kusun na achono dana aka gazette kenkleji from 1B go ye manche ke jase che ke jase ambafil from 1B ye ka me feel amegbe na American Traditional Council. Ejake ga Traditional Council ama me kura kusun gbejiano to fe ye Ogun State name Gamanche asiem. No na fi aka ami. Ama ye kusun na ye constitution na. Sana me kwa mi fe ketotomo ko be mi ye keka amamba forward ke ya Greater Accra Regional House of Chiefs. Mini we ajen ejake amehu amame hie no ni brofo chole supervisory role. Traditional councils abonu oyo ye gan a Greater Accra ne amefe ame Greater Accra House of Chiefs shishi. No ameji supervisors. No amekoma haje ni Greater Accra House of Chiefs hu ba kwemi kenoko be mi ye keke ame forward kete National House of Chiefs. Jebeje ni constitution ha me na me ke gazette mancheme. Ama akwemi kenoko be mi ye ka gazette bu no ni bi eteni nche ne fe keje beni adamalache ke from 1B ya Hagan Traditional Council emoko na kan wolu mi don odi fe ni wolu o shi ga Traditional Council ne gete dodwa Regional House of Chiefs ne shi dodwa Regional House of Chiefs na gete National House of Chiefs kintaki adamalache bemi shi amame kweno fe no ya kusuna na be na aka o oyemu na me fa aka gazette na gazette do nyeme ka ncheme ni obie ka achem ko fraudulent ani manye ni kaneni ni ka adamalache fraudulent adamalache ji fraudulent me na echo ame fraudulent ji ka Traditional Council ni do dun saki no mi enyia me here aka acting president. Allo the Greater Accra Regional House of Chiefs. Ni wache ni welenchi odehe fio yo hedoye papa ni welenchi na nyenyi yakeleji president ni do dun sakiji acting president ye gan Traditional Council keke na gbe agete National House of Chiefs no me ni chuwolu oheni be amesani eka ameju ameha adamalache chi adamalache nyin eju no be ni me fe ni adamalache nu hihie de ekete High Court by mandamus High Court kwesa ni emi na me kwa mi fe ameke o dabi National House beno ni nyecho ni nyejie egbe eja no asa na ke egbe awomi beno wa na National House of Chiefs ni boni inyemi e kale e brofo emi here why constitution the constitution Article 270 3B of the 1992 Constitution eke henajo na akwo ni kesaje ni eyaji National House of Chiefs no je nji ni ahame order na me fiye na ahame order mo obeni wa na amete appeal court ama fe appeal beni wa na Kevin efa moni egele ji esenche wo ole moni ji gasenche eye npa ye bi e mo fe mo eye orasi acho mo teta shon aga join as an interested party na meti na ya lemi ngbo dromo na be ni jeje egbe ona aga o be na ji ebe mlami no akegbe awomi High Court enwi no mo no na amafia appeal me anyone amafia appeal 2021 where 2025 which was 4 years ago shage no me MPP government in cover me he war abete amawo e yake ameka buy time kaka buy time me lokotomo da ta asa adamala chena no bonye ka pila aya e ka shi wona twi wo ha me 2025 ne wo ka agbe ne nu efi ma no no wote wa chi ehin je wo sa no wo fi agaje wo wa fi apile shi ake ni won ta na nu kwale akashi wo wote wo ke cheme ya appeal court ake sande ko ba hanye kaja 2021 wonu ko no ko ye wo 2025 wa fi ne le won ta ni na kan sane e akwe lele appeal court na wo sane ake eja wo no na mechuhe ni na nwa Kevin ke ewobi yake nye ba answer anwa National House lele na ma answer won wo ha etu ni wo ha etu wo na alomi nyumba domo appeal court emma no ni high court ke no mi wo le nwe ha me 14 days na me ka wo mi 14 days e won kan ya keke yihu anyi mo afi sumo ke wo wala so ani ba ni 14 days e she si cho le me beru wa pe no President of the National House of Chiefs nibo referee jibo no court e kwani ami eke o body yo eja no nyifa ni ye ke ma he ni ikan ete afi appeal ye no the Supreme Court ine wo jasi e pe na me ge da bi ina ise amahama mfe ana no kwali ake gbeno ni wo president e ta frache echon ikan agbeno lo ehin no ene ewo ameche na me ba chon ene ma me nye you adon no